Rainforest, and this is my performance lesson science. Let's go! We learned rainforest and science. And we are here now. Look, parrot! These are the animals we can see in the rainforest.
May sushi, may sushi. Ikaw naman. Wow, you transfer to her. Transfer. Transfer. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. At mommy.
Oh my! Turtle! God created their shell to protect them. And also their home. They're very slow because they have to carry their home. Cheetah. Okay, the cheetah, they're so nice. Look at their skin.
They're sleeping in one foot only.
The flamingo feet are like snakes.
Their legs.
See, there's only the. But when they sleep, they will lift up one of the other, only one.
Why?
I don't know. That's their nature.
God's creations are really amazing. Habitat, land and water. My favorite is that one over there.
Tangkad.
Tatay, come back. They're babies. There! Yay!
Which animal? What's the name?
Chameleon.
Why is it hard to find them?
Because they changed the color, the same color of their surroundings. Autumn! Mommy, there's a chameleon!
Oh my god! It's here.
Can you touch it? I can. Does it bite?
What's the color now?
Brown.
Why?
Because the surrounding is brown. It woke up.
Into something that's brown.
Whoa. Hi. Are you slow? It hides talaga.
Yeah, well, it depends on the color.
Ah!
That too.
Whoa! Look! There's a million here and here too!
Go.
It's not dead.
But why isn't it opening?
Sleeping.
Guys, it's so sad it's under the chameleon. What? Maybe something like biting?
Oh wait, don't touch it.
Is it taking a nap? No.
No, it's really dead.
Well, look at the blood in its face.
Yeah. Are there how many kinds of owls?
Like more than over 200?
Yeah.
It's moving on us! No.
They have big eyes.
No.
Looking at the camera.
It's still here. It's water.
Because, where are you?
Rainforest. On land and water.
It's okay, Sam. It's okay, it's okay. Look, what's that? Yeah. Smile the camera.
My Crendall smile.
Smile the camera. It's okay, Sam. Don't worry, Sam. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
He's gonna fall.
Give a smile here. Crendall, look at me. Yes.
It's tighter.
It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry.
Oh my god. It's so long. There's another sticker now.
Oh, how much is it? Huh?
Don't squeeze it, guys. Be gentle.
If you squeeze it, it might bite you. Then I think it's biting.
Pag daw ano?
It's so adorable. Adorable?
You're not scared talaga, girls.
Wow. It's so cool. His head is moving. Please take care of the animals. They are God's amazing creations.
I got myself just a little bit of love that I wanna spend on you, but baby, I'll never get that chance to dance that romance with you. Oh no, 'cause you're always hitting and kicking and putting me down. I hope you don't mean what you say, but I keep seeing you sticking around like you can't get enough, so I